you will need 1 large balloon or beach ball, 1 normal balloon, 3 modelling balloons, 1000 millilitres of PVA glue and 1000 millilitres of water, a paintbrush, large container, some tape, 1 full kitchen roll, some napkins or paint of your choice, and something for the face and the buttons of your choice. Started off by taking one of the modelling balloons and making it into a circle. Then using plenty of sellotape, I taped it down to, I had a piece of polystyrene lying about, so I used that, but you would be better using cardboard because it actually come undone later on. But you haven't got to use a base, it just keeps it a bit steadier. Using some more sellotape, I got rid of the hump on the top of the balloon. I ended up using 2 balloons here because the first time I did it, it burst, so unless it's all set, it's a complete waste of time basically. So I used 2 balloons on this. Got rid of the bump by using some sellotape, and some more sellotape by securing it to the balloon below. As much as you need, you can't use enough sellotape on it basically. Keep taping it all the way around. Now tape the arms to the side. You can put your arms wherever you want. You can have them facing up, down, wherever you want, it's your choice. Plenty of sellotape again, make sure it's secure. Same now with the other balloon. Turn the other balloon upside down so the pointy part points to the top. Plenty of sellotape. Just going all the way around. Until it's complete. Now using the PVA glue, which is equal parts PVA to equal parts water. Just do a section at a time as you come across to it. Now stick the kitchen roll. I cut them in little different size strips. You can do big, small strips, it doesn't really matter, wherever you decide. Make sure you protect the surface you're working on because it will go everywhere, the glue will. Just keep sticking it down, going over with the PVA mix. You're going to need at least 2 or 3 layers to cover it. But you can see by the balloon, if you can't see the balloon anymore, it's pretty much done really. Just keep going over. Plenty of PVA. That's Fred the parrot in the background making a noise. Just moving on to the base. That's where the balloon didn't stick to the polystyrene, so you're best with a piece of cardboard if you do use anything. I just had it lying around, so I used it. Basically just repeating it all now all over until you can't see the balloons really then. It's basically all covered now. I did go over with a bit more. I'm just getting 4 pieces of kitchen towel now. And I'm going to fold them into a long thin section so I can make the rim of the hat. Just folding it into, it's about an inch strip, roughly, doesn't really matter. Put it on now, this will make the rim of the hat, you can put this wherever you want. And just smoothing it out now with the brush. All the way around. That's pretty much it really. I did do a little bit more off camera, just so we couldn't see the balloon. I had these Christmas napkins lying around. So cut them into 4 squares. Same again, PVA on the top of there, which is going to become the hat. Exactly the same procedure as the rest of the snowman. Exactly the same procedure. Try smooth it so you don't get as many creases if you can. Now for the rim, I cut the Christmas off the bottom, which will create the bottom of the rim of the hat. Exactly same procedure. That's the hat done. Did the same for the neck scarf, but folded it in half, and then I dipped it in the PVA mix. Wiped some of the mixture off so it wasn't as wet. Basically just stuck it round the neck with the scarf. Did this a few times. Do whatever you want, you can do a short one, long one, as much as you want. That's the scarf all done. These are little protectors what you put on the bottom of furniture, and that was a lid off a marker pen. Stuck these all around, creating the mouth. Same again for the eyes. Using some hot glue gun to stick the pen lid on for his nose. You can use whatever you want for the face, pen, paint, stick anything what you want on. It doesn't really matter, it's your choice. And stuck the protectors on for his buttons, or the remaining few what you can see. The last one I had to cut in half. It's pretty much finished. Now just a matter of bursting the balloons inside. I ended up putting some napkins for making some gloves. That's pretty much it really. And that's it, all complete. Just added a bit of snow spray on, just because it's a nice effect. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see.